Hello guys, the Automotive Reviews. And today we have here the Ford Bronco. Of course you guys know what this is, but I got some crazy news. And the crazy news is this. The Ford Bronco, there's no X plan for the Bronco 2021. And if you ask yourself, what is the X plan? Now the X plan is a new vehicle purchase plan for friends and neighbors. The X plan is offered by the Ford Motor Company to encourage employees and retirees to promote Ford Motor Company products. And among their friends and neighbors, this program offers exclusive discount pricing on certain Ford Motor Company products. Just in case you didn't know what it was, but that's just to educate you. Now, due to high demand and limited production capacity, Ford has decided the Bronco 2 and 4 door models will not be eligible for the X plan in 2021. However, Bronco Sport will continue to be eligible for the X plan. You ask yourself, why did Ford do this? And I say to myself, I think they're opening the door to dealers blowing up the prices, and because the demand is so high for the Ford Bronco, that the dealers are going to see opportunities to make an extra $10,000 in some situations, as they did with the Corvette C8. And you hearing things about the person orders their car, months in advance, and when the times to come for their car deliver, the dealer hits them up with a price that's $10,000 more than what they anticipated. Now, there's not a big demand for the Bronco, like for the Bronco Sport, and they said that will continue to be eligible for the X plan. Now, I'm not sure if they're going to be blowing up the prices, but it just seems like from reading that Ford just opened the door, to the dealers to strike it rich, and to put you in when you do buy your Bronco, you're put in a bad situation where they're charging you $10,000 above retail, and which means if you do take out a loan, say you take out a loan for the $60,000 package, they're telling you, hey, it's $70,000, so you have to take out a loan for the $70,000 package. But then when you take it off the lot, it depreciates by, say you had it for 60, but the depreciation takes it down to 50,000. Now you didn't only lose 10,000, you lost 20,000, because you also lost that 10,000 that you gave them, to buy the SUV. So it's a scary situation, but it's not the case with the Bronco Sport. Now, for those of you who have been around the block on similar hot Ford models, notably the F-150 Raptor and the Mustang Shelby models, this news will not be a surprise to you. For those of you who recently joined the Mustang Club of America to lavish their X-Plane benefit, you'll have to use it for another eligible Ford. Bronco will offer A, employee, and Z, retiree, and D, dealer employee plan pricing for all series except limited run first editions. I guess this limited run first edition is the opportunity for the dealers to make a crap load of money. Now, here are some anticipated questions and answers directly from the Ford PR regarding this decision that might be helpful. Will the Bronco 2 and 4 door offer AXZD plan pricing? Bronco will offer AZD, A employee, and Z retiree, and D dealer plan pricing for all series except limited run first editions. X plan, X friends and family will not be offered on any Bronco 2 or 4 door for the 2021 model year. Why are you excluding the X plan pricing for the Bronco? Due to unprecedented demand and limited supply, Bronco 2 and 4 door will not be eligible for X Plan in the 21 model year. This is similar to other limited supply vehicles like the F-150 Raptor and the Mustang Shelby. Why are you announcing this now, Ford? We are announcing this at the same time as our full pricing and build and price release on the Bronco 2 and 4 door. I've already generated an X Plan pin. Can I use it? Pins are not specific to a vehicle and can be used on any eligible vehicle. And will the Bronco Sport offer the A and the X and the Z and the D plan pricing? Yes, the Bronco Sport offers it. Because it's not in high demand and it's not limited. So that puts us in a precarious situation, but everybody's wondering, how the dealer is going to dupe them. And believe me, it looks like the Ford Motor Company has opened the door to people being duped by the dealers because they have made these plans, but they haven't made the plan to get it at the dealer markup price. And believe me, it's going to happen. And it seems like probably we have to stand up to not let this happen and petition and everything and just beg for it to please not let dealers mark up these vehicles and actually throw salt on the American dream of owning a Ford Bronco and being out there to experience the beautiful protected lands of America. But besides all that, folks, the anticipation for the Ford Bronco is great. As you wait for the Ford Bronco, we know that it's going to start about $30,000. But the one that we see here is just awesome. It just loaded up to the tilt, folks. And boy, when we start seeing these hit the streets, it's going to be awesome. The legendary Ford Bronco is returning with its cool retro styling, innovative features, and impressive off-road capabilities. And the purists out there, are going to cry because of the absence of the V8. But that V6 turbo is going to make a hell of a lot of difference and going to wipe your tears away. Awesome technology. You're talking about 12-inch touchscreen, off-road performance app, durable waterproof surfaces in the cabin, protect things such as the doors, soft and hardtop roofs can be removed in a convertible nature with the soft top, especially along with the 2 and the 4-door body styles. This is the Ford most rugged SUV ever, and it's going against the popular Jeep Wrangler, which is has a highly capable chassis and a drivetrain. But the Bronco has a legit chance to challenge the Jeep for the trail-rated crown. Folks, this is awesome. This is an awesome time. Awesome beauty, awesome nature. With an awesome truck. So much is anticipated as Ford resurrects the Bronco nameplate, and a lot of people are going to be a part of this, and it's going to be awesome, folks. Right now I have to wait because I'm paying $600 a month for this Volvo, and I just bought it 2018, so I got a while to pay for it, but who knows what can happen. But until then, I'll keep researching and keep studying it, and hopefully someday experience the ownership of the Ford 2021 Bronco. AO Automotive Reviews. Have an awesome day, and if no one told you this, I'm telling you this. You are fantastic.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.